Hello students, last time you learnt about noun. Noun has four categories: person, place, or thing. First, we understand noun by person. There are two categories of person. Suppose I am saying that student is a common noun. If I say Rehan, so Rehan is proper noun. Difference between common noun and proper noun is that common noun is known by all, but the proper noun is perfect identification given to person. Second category of noun, that is place. Suppose I am saying I am going to school. Here school is a place. But if I say that my school's name is Mount Carmel High School, so here Mount Carmel High School is proper noun. Think, suppose I am saying how many stationery items in your compass box. So here compass box is common noun. Stationery items, they are also common nouns. But if I say I have Natraj pencil, so Natraj pencil is proper noun. If I say I have Rodex marker, so Rodex is a name of particular brand, so that is also proper noun. Now coming to fourth category of noun, as I have already instructed you before. Suppose I am saying that India is full of pious rivers. Here rivers, I am talking about all pious rivers of India. So rivers are considered as common noun. But if I say that Ganga is the most pious river of India, which flows from Himalaya, so here Ganga is proper noun. Himalaya mountain is also proper noun. So these are different categories of noun. Now let's move to second part of speech, that is called pronoun. Pronoun is a word which takes place of noun. When we repeat some points about noun, generally we use pronoun. Suppose I am saying that I am your teacher. Here I am using I for myself. So I is a pronoun. I have used I for my name. Here I am not repeating my name. Suppose I am saying you all are Indian citizens. Here I am using you as pronoun, because I am not addressing you directly by your names, but instead of your names I am addressing you. How can you differentiate noun and pronoun? Very simple. When we want to talk something about particular noun for second time, generally we avoid taking name of that person, place or thing. So instead of that, we use singular or plural pronoun. The words which are used for pronoun: I for myself, you for yourself, they for themselves. Thank you.